Welcome to Phandestradini. Kamalami Siswati, director and creator of Phandestradini.
I'm the main man.
You are the man, the muffin man.
And action. I'm the director of Phandestradini. The show came about through the environment so there are so many things going on. There are so many markets and mahasila for example, chicken dust, those usual kind of hustle. When starting the show, we had so many difficulties. For example, we had to approach people, we had to convince them that it's to show your hustle, start encourage so those things, because for example, but understand le show and how it's gonna benefit and how it's gonna benefit we have my guy Linda Mhlanga Lolima la part of my guy. You good? Right. Okay, so I shoot anyalo kasi sambile sesikhathi sekulima bona selikoba kobile langa, which means the right way is either kwenda ekseni noma kwenda nsambama. Angithi? Yebo. And then lapha I have my assistant cinematographer. Oh yeah. The first thing that's in there must figure on set, we just load of the gear and the message lapho sakhuluma ukuthi ushuta kanjani because kukahle kuba discussion batshela ukuthi udashuta kanjani, bakatse ini, bakatse nani, bangabe bona surprise bas how musa kwasitshela ukuthi udashuta lokho so kwendeka kanyalo. So mawufike nje on set, the first thing njengoba benikhulumile on the phone before ukhuluma nabo sibatshela ukuthi sitashutha lokho nalokho so kuze wakhe story lesikahle because ile langa ngala because utamakhuluma utamala ngento uthatha this way mawukhuluma instead of ukuthi ukhulume ngendla bukendasi although so kwehlaka so ku impossible but dabuka le ngina so kungcono
Utafese le.
Ya kube negate ngale atakhamba ngala hambe ayile itingala abona abantu amshaka so manje utahamba ukhulume wathi ndahamba nayo le camera nahamba nayo nje kaso maybe wena noma wala phela slap because ngifuna le wide lapha tamba tawonke le wide atamba tawonke ngale ngihamba ngale lenye mina icamera ngasasawona la ma detail tanda mathinza kaso ngizume in lapho then when ngithathe le safe shot uhambe undahamba nayo nje kaso mina lekinye timbo betendeka on set but surprising because for example sihamba saya kashuta lomboye aka scrapyard mashuta yena we had an occasions where lapho khona lo mboye futhi insimbi wamiswa amaphoyisa overload
Eloko maphoyisa kwaphose kwangithatha ngi-overloading.
Akhile amaphoyisa akaza ngaba nenkinga usambopha because I was so nervous ukuthi ngisamele ngobhelela umuntu and stuff but lokho amaphoyisa akhona usiyekela sachubeka. I think that work on our advantage sakhona kuchubeka sashutha.
Le crew kwakulicembu lebelikahle ngoba ngangihamba lingikhuthata ukuthi no mfana nami ungabi nenkinga chubeka nje usebenze lo msebenzi wakho ungalingeni uthathe itsakamisa
Mabasaqala kungithebula laba thebulako ngativa nje ngide inkinga ngoba noma ngibuta lutho bebekade bangiphendula kahle kunginakekela nanami uma babuta siphendulane kahle nje kude ukuthi bese lomunye ubuyisa buso lo munye sewukhanza sowubheka lena.
Kusho ukuthi Phandestradini sihambe etindzaweni letiningi. Sihambisa eSiphoxosini, koManzini, saya eLiyengu, saya eMankayane. So we're trying all our best ukuthi si-coverage i-hustle all over Swaziland. Singabuki nje just one township la siphuma khona. So I think that we explore the best, and hopefully season 2 masaqhubeka we can be able to travel as far as maybe Dlavumisa, as Peak, just to show more of what the country holds on the hustle. I hope this show can benefit a lot of people. It shows different people labatiphilisa ngendlela letihlukene. Mabona nje ukuthi sinempuwe chicken dust from food up to mhlawumbe tafulo, which is more practical food, and ngibe nempulo omunye lo futhi insimbi, which doesn't demand any capital ukuthi bakhona ukuqala le business. It's just going around across the simba, collect insimbi, hamba usina scrape. So if you look at the range alama hustle leswendawo, uyabonakala ukuthi Phandestradini can benefit a lot of people. Ngikuthi babukhona ukubukela le show bese bayabona ukuthi athi kuthini nami ngatiphilisa ngale ndlela le.
Ngiyatshela babe ungelethi vungu upheleleke mi. Ithi hey ngiyamfunga babe ungelabo ganda bendluleke mi. Ngivuka ekseni kusemanombo ngifike lana ngiyekutophanda sikhokho. Ngoba impilo ayikhoma lula mnganami.
I think le challenges abanayo ukuthi sishoot endaweni lapho khona sidinga i-permit ukuze sishoot. Ngiyazama kwenda usisaka script yakhe number 1. Sitoza macela ukuthi basivumele shootela ngekhathi. So lapho sometimes we also shooter ukhanze ukuthi kuze ngipermit.
Bakuphusukulaka kanje ayuzubabu zubaqethe wena uyathuthukina kanje hayi bebangekula ngithi laba bebangekula.
All in all, I think we overcame every problem we have and challenge, and as fundisa ukuthi we can do better on another season, on another episode.
Le show lena bengajabula ukuthi ibonise labasha ukuthi noma bangabe bahleli bangakuthola umsebenzi bangakhona kwenta lokuncane ukuthi bathole imali kunekwe ukuthi bahlale nje.
Le show lena Phandestradini the hustlers lengufise kakhulu noma kusengihidini yami ukuthi chubeke site more young people show up their talents and their skills out there in those different communities so that they can also grow their skills and nurture their skills. Lengibona ngazuthi mine kimi vele kungisite kakhulu ukuthi ngibe nabo because naloko ngete stability noma kunikete even the courage to do more, to do better, and kuningi futhi nalokunye lekufundzako from this company, because I can see ukuthi they just want to expose the talent and the skill of a young person and show that a young person it is possible outside as long as you are a hard worker, a committed person, a passionate somebody. It is all possible outside.
So I hope the show can just help everyone see because there are so many ways to hustle, there are so many ways to piliza, and there are so many ways of Phandestradini.